What's up, guys? Jason over here at Switch Suspension. Today I'm going to be showing you our battery relocation box for the 73 to 87 Chevy C10s. All right, so let's take a look at what's in it. When you get it, you're going to get your battery box pre-made. You're going to get the two brackets. One is for an Optima battery, one is for a standard battery, and then your hardware bag. 4 body bolts, which are going to be like a factory replacement style, 1 riv nut, 1 bolt nut, and 3 washers. Start off with the installation. Obviously, you're going to want to have your old stuff out of the way if you're doing new inner fenders. To install it, there is a factory hole here that you're going to start off with that's threaded, so get your bolt in that hole. So you're going to want to mark this hole. You can use a marker, you can use scratch the paint method, whatever it is. Mark where your hole is going to be, because you're going to need to drill a hole here in the side panel. Once your hole is marked, you're going to pull the box back out of place, and we're going to drill the hole, and we're going to go ahead and install that riv nut. We've got the riv nut installed. When it comes to installing the riv nut, we have a tool for it. You can also do it with a nut and bolt. Just depends on what you have at your disposal when you're doing this install. All right, so now we have the box painted, ready to install. You'll want to paint this, powder coat it, whatever you're going to do. In this case, the truck has a couple of grounds that were hooked to this bolt that we are using, so you'll want to make sure that if that's the case with you, hook those back up at this time. Bolt and nut is going to go through this one with the washers. So now it's time to put the battery back in the truck and get the hole down in place. This point is where you're going to need to determine, obviously, what kind of battery are you using. Are you using a regular battery, or are you using an Optima? In this case, we're using a standard battery, so make sure it's going this direction with this flat portion toward the battery. That's for a standard battery. If you're using an Optima, it's going to be the same, but it's got the little pegs on it to get around the Optima, and you're going to drop it in this direction. Last 2 bolts in place. All right, so that's the 73 to 87 battery relocation box, and check them out on our website and give us a call if you have any questions.